35.
Okay, they're not going to say you
So
have
when
to
they put the
bust
sheetrock
these
up,
walls out.
it took away the
No, but you know, if you got something that's 36 inches,
It's not gonna
Make
fit.
sure you're going the right way.
Okay.
go this way.
Okay.
Upstairs.
No, I'm just saying if they're done with what they need it for.
Upstairs AC, the thermostat's not connected through the Wi-Fi, so it's not connected.
Okay.
Which one? There's 2 units.
Yeah, upstairs.
Oh, this one.
Over here.
Oh. Oh, the upstairs.
Yeah. These two are running fine. When you go from that attic for the other air handler, there needs to be a light above that.
What about all those cords and stuff that Larry noticed?
You know, the ones that are real obvious, those are your Cat 5 or low voltage.
I'm gonna cover that.
Yeah.
There's no safety issue.
No.
Okay.
I mean, there's if you can trip over them.
Okay.
You're constantly walking on it, you can damage them. But
sure. Okay.
It's not. It's not
a code violation.
The AC, are you saying it's not hardwired?
Well, the thermostat, when we go to work it, says Wi-Fi not found.
Okay.
There is no Wi-Fi.
So it's not working.
Okay.
Those are those nice ones
Got it,
that
okay.
I really wanted to buy. I love them. So I saw it, was like, anything with Wi-Fi, screw it. I'm not going to mess with it. You know what? I'm tired of it.
Just get a regular manual, up, down. Right, right. I know.
Mercury float.
I know that. Yeah.
So if this pump is 110, which I think it is,
Okay.
there's wired 220, so you got an extra breaker in there.
Okay.
That says pump, but it's not. So I have a label whether it's disconnected or.
We need a 220 for a hot tub. That's that separate box.
Where's that box at?
Oh, it's not.
Maybe point it towards, go in that way a little bit, and just point it towards it.
Oh, the conduit's there. Oh, yeah. Right here.
So that's the only thing you can do, right?
Well,
220 in here.
I have to run this
Okay.
nice me and you. Get you a card. Go
Okay.
give him my phone number. Here, let me do that. Set it in there. And get his.
Appreciate all the help.
Yes, sir.
But I mean, how bad is it, bud? I mean,
Well, but that's this one. This one has an extra wire, but it's not connected.
okay.
So it's really not supposed to be a wire that runs to a spot that should be garage doors for electric car.
What do you mean?
Inside panel? No, it could be coming off the inside. It could be coming off the garage door.
Oh, okay.
But nothing here for hot.
Nothing there for him? Oh, you mean nothing there for this?
Right. You got conduit with all located. You can do it. This is, I don't know what the
I think that's the 220.